Ready to take charge of your cleanup? Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC is here to empower your projects with hassle-free dumpster rental in Lewisburg, Tennessee. Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC offers a comprehensive selection of dumpster sizes to perfectly accommodate your project's specific needs. Whether you're tackling a large-scale home renovation, a meticulous yard cleanup, or a minor decluttering effort, we have the right-sized dumpster to ensure a successful and efficient waste removal process. Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC prioritizes customer satisfaction by offering a streamlined rental experience. Our user-friendly website allows for convenient online reservations, saving you valuable time. Additionally, Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC is committed to providing competitive rates, ensuring you receive exceptional value for your investment. We're committed to providing excellent service at Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC. Our team is here to support your project from start to finish, ensuring you have everything you need for a successful cleanup. Visit our website at www.diydumpsterstn.com Dumpster Rental Lewisburg TN or call 615-290-2029 to discuss your project requirements and get a free quote. Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC. Empowering your cleanups, enhancing your spaces.